Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening the YouTube app and signing in. You need an active Google account. Once done, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as any device you plan to cast to, or enable Bluetooth for quick pairing. You should also grant any requested permissions for microphone and storage if prompted. These steps set the foundation so that subsequent connection options, cast, pair, or link a TV, work without permission or network blockers interrupting the process. Now pick how you'll connect. Use Cast for smart TVs and Chromecast, or linked devices for manual TV code pairing. Tap the Cast icon in the top bar and wait for device names to appear. Select your target and approve the prompt on the TV if required. For pairing with a code, open YouTube on the TV, go to Settings, link with TV code, then enter that code on your phone. These choices control whether you stream directly or link accounts for more persistent access. Finish by starting a video and verifying playback controls show on your phone. That indicates a successful connection. Use your phone to play, pause, skip, and control volume. When finished, select Stop Casting or Unlink in Settings. If things go wrong, restart the YouTube app and your Wi-Fi or toggle Bluetooth. Make sure both devices run updated software. As a last resort, remove the linked device and repeat the TV code pairing. This usually resolves stubborn authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.